Nick from HiFi Collective here. Right, you can see there's a lot of stuff in front of us. This is all the new bits and bobs we've purchased over the last couple of months. Let's start with the biggest. So over here, Ellie Kit, we love Ellie Kit, have created this new product, the TU8185. This is what it looks like. This is replacing the TU8100. So this one's black, actually use a different valve as well. So you've got 2 watts out of this. And it's pretty good. I've been using it with some my d.i.y, my Stetson Ditton 44s, which is down there. Get quite a bit of volume. So that's that one. Cardas, always very popular. We decided to buy in their crosslink cables. So they do a speaker cable, with the 1S, which we've actually solved the whole reel, so I can't even show you it, but we'll get more in, don't worry. And then this is the 1L, which is the interconnect. So it's all LITs, proving very popular. As we're on wires, let's talk about Via Blue. So we don't really have like top spec cable that people can use for their mains. So the brown, the blue, and the yellow green. So we have this kind of it's the X-40, which is quite a thick gauge of multi-strand silver-plated copper wire. So that's available in the blue and the brown. The green, for some unknown reason, they've decided just to tin that one. So it's still the same material, copper, but they've tinned it rather than silver plated it. So that's a good one if you're wiring up some bits and bobs. Now Via Borg, Chinese, but absolutely amazing. We've kind of pushed the boat out on those because it's so popular. We've got in some more of their range. So this is it's the VM04 series. So it's a Shuko. Oh no, it's not. It's the American plug. Well, it's a socket, so it goes in the back. This is available in rhodium plate, gold plate, and just your standard copper plate. So 15 amp, 125 volts. There's a 3-layer plating for obviously the rhodium and the gold. Copper, 99.98%. So while I've got this out, you can see the connections at the back, like this. Let's get a screwdriver. So while I'm doing this, I'm going to introduce to you the VP201AG. Now these are pure silver connectors. They're like a mini spade. So you can see you have a hole there that you put your wire through. I don't think you can crimp this per se, but you can at least give it a good soldering. I'm sure you can because silver's quite soft, so I'm sure you'll be able to crimp that. I've not tried it. These fit perfectly in here. So the way these connections are done, you basically have a screw that goes through the middle of a plate. So you put your wire in there, and then that fits in there quite snugly, and then you tighten it up, and you've got a really good connection like that. You can't pull it out. So it's a really good way of getting a good connection with these kind of connections at the back. You could just split the wire and do it that way, but this is a really good solution. So that's that. Let's put that aside. That comes with 4 screws as well for mounting. Good quality, pure silver. Furatech do things like this as well, which make connecting to mains, plugs, etc. quite easy. They've come out of the brown version of the IEC socket, gold plate, silver plate, and rhodium plate. So these are the VI06CG. This is G gold. Then we got the DIN5 male. So there's for your record player shenanigans. Yeah, good quality. They are very good by Borg. I had no issues with them. That's superb. Oh look, and here is another pure silver connection which is used with the Shuko's. So similar principle as kind of fork one. So you put your wire in there and then you put the pin through. Cool. So that's that. Neotech have come up with a lower cost plug. So this is their lower cost IC. And that is the VCP503. They do the US plug, so the P513 and the P512, which is the Shuko. I think this is it silver plated, Johnny? No, it's gold. It's gold, of course it is. Damn. And then while we're on the subject of Viaborg, we bought in some of their RCA. I mean, they're a great price, this. So this is OFC plated, then this one is a silver version, so kind of heavy duty, beautifully crafted. There we go, you can get 8.5 diameter wire in there, you solder in there for your signal, and then you've got this rim here that you solder to, obviously on the underside. Boom, so that's great. So we've got the silver and the gold and the rhodium version of these plugs. Put that to the side. There's an egg, don't know why that is. So, oh yeah, we've got the new Tachman Rex 2 quarter watt carbons. There we go, slightly pinker in color. They've solved the issue they were having with their solvents, and these are finally available. I think we've been waiting 5-6 years. A bit more expensive, but well worth the extra price. We can now sell the full range of the step attenuators, because obviously the original ones are in short supply. Anyway, so that's great. They are coming out the half watts next in the carbon. Then we're doing the quarter watt metals, and then the half watt metals after that. So give it 6 months, we should have pretty much everything. Should be great. Bit of a new one for us. This is a London Decca maroon Type 2 stereo cartridge. We don't really usually sell these guys, but they actually sound incredibly lively, dynamic. They're a moving coil, a Nico magnet in that one. So have a look at those. Jupiter have a new type of wire. Price on this is reasonable. Silver, the price of silver has gone through the roof. This is a 26 AWG 5N silver in cotton. So great for your signal wiring inside. Now via Blue, we've gone in and purchased their 3 different format 5-pin DIN SME tone arm plugs. I'll get one out just to show you. Oh, it's stuck. Oh, this one isn't excellent. So there you go, good quality, gold plated, copper. They come in various guises. These are both the left-handed version. Actually, you can see it better there. So one's an upper and one's a downer, by the way of the actual semicircle of the 5 pins. Right, what else? Have I done everything? Anything else new? Oh yeah, what? Oh, the Lorlin. This is just a low-cost 2-pole 6-way switch. You know, if you don't want to spend a load of cash on your Elmer or the Sidens, this will work a treat. And, so is there anything else, Johnny? Got a new haircut. I'm smarting up my act. Keep it DIYing. Go.
Just before I sign off, I want to say a big thank you for watching our videos. Like and subscribe, and follow us on all the social network platforms. See you later.